Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert three separate tables side by side in Google Docs. So get ready started. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, create a table and go into the insert menu option and click for the table option. Create a new table and first column and table number 1 and table number 2 and table number 3 and table number 1 is enter, click, press to enter and go into the insert menu option and click for the table option, then create a table. Then table 2 is enter and go into the insert menu option and click for the table option and initialize table. Then table 3 and click, press pro enter and go into the insert menu option and click for the table option, then initialize table. It's okay. Then I show the three separate tables side by side in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.